Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. Today in this part 5, we are going to understand the difference between subsistence and commercial farming. Okay, so watch the video carefully. At the end of the video, you will be getting the same question, right? The difference between subsistence and commercial farming. Okay, and in case of any further doubt, you can contact me in comment section, as well as we can discuss all of your queries in the upcoming online class. Fine. So let's begin today's topic, difference between subsistence and commercial farming. Welcome all of you in the fifth part of this chapter, agriculture. In the last video, we have studied all about commercial farming. Today we are going to differentiate between subsistence and commercial farming. So sit back, relax, as we are going to explore difference between these two, subsistence and commercial farming. Subsistence farming. This is basically practiced for self-consumption, not for sale. There is little or no use of modern inputs, and it is also dependent on monsoon and natural fertility of the soil and suitability of other environmental conditions. On the other hand, commercial farming, it is practiced for trade and profit purpose. Students, commercial farming is capital intensive and requires modern technology. The main characteristics of this type of farming is the use of high doses of modern inputs like high yielding variety seeds or HYV, chemicals, fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Now understand differences one by one with me. The first difference is that subsistence farming is when people are producing food for self-consumption or to fulfill their family needs. They are not producing it for sale. They are not trying to make a profit from the output. This subsistence farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family or for self-consumption. Now, the other type is commercial farming. It is the production of food for profit. The goal of farmer in this farming is to make more and more revenue. So, in this farming, crops are grown to sell the output in the market. Now, the farm size. The farms under subsistence farming are generally small in size. On the other hand, in commercial farming, farms are large in size. Now see, in subsistence farming, the farmer uses the traditional or primitive methods of farming. Most of the work is done by hands or they use animals. On the other hand, in commercial farming, modern farming methods are used. Now see, under subsistence farming, the labor is provided by the farmer's family. On the other hand, in commercial farming, laborers are hired. As the farm size is small in subsistence farming, farmers use primitive methods of farming. Foremost to it, this farming is done for self-consumption, so production is generally low. And in commercial farming, production is high as it is done for sale purpose. Under subsistence farming, generally food crops like rice and wheat are grown along with oilseeds and vegetables, while in the commercial farming, generally commercial crops are grown like jute and cotton, etc. Now quickly give a recap to all the differences which we have studied. So are you ready all of you? So in subsistence farming, crops are grown to meet the needs of the farmer's family, while in the commercial farming, crops are grown to sell the output in the market. In subsistence farming, the farms are generally small in size, and in commercial farming, the farms are generally large in size. In subsistence farming, the farmer uses the primitive or traditional methods of farming, and in commercial farming, the farmer uses modern technology. The labor in subsistence farming is provided by the members of the farmer's family. And in commercial farming, the laborers are generally hired. In subsistence farming, the production is generally low, and in the commercial farming, the production is high. In subsistence farming, generally food crops are grown, and in commercial farming, yes, you are right, commercial crops are grown. So, this is all about differences between subsistence and commercial farming. Hope this video helped you to better understand the differences between subsistence and commercial farming. Now, look at the home task. Only one question is given related to the differences. Do it positively, and in case of any further doubt, write to me in the comment section or discuss all your queries in upcoming online class. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.